My name is Erica Gray Gowans. I graduated in 2005 from the Thompson University Veterinary Technology program, and currently I am a faculty member here in the Veterinary Technology program. I had a lot of reasons for deciding to attend Thompson University. One of the main factors was the small class sizes. We're pretty fortunate here at TRU. We've got a lot of one-on-one instruction with the faculty members, which was really important to me to get that support. The other reason I wanted to attend is because Thompson University has animals on site. So there was lots of opportunities to work with the animals right here in the program. Kathy Hallpatch was an amazing instructor. She was always really passionate about what she was teaching and very thorough about what she was teaching. When I started working here as a young faculty member, she really spent a lot of time mentoring me and actually helped me with some research on how horses learn after she retired. So she's been a really big influence on me. It's such a hands-on program that really sets you up for working in a veterinary practice or working in all aspects of veterinary medicine. There's a lot of really cool equipment. The faculty members come from a wide variety of backgrounds, so they can teach you several ways of doing something. The program really taught me how to think critically and how to recognize when an animal is in pain or distress and when things aren't going well for that animal, so I really make a difference in my profession. Yeah. Currently, I'm a faculty member here on site. I get to work with all these horses that you can see behind me. So I teach the students all aspects of large animal care as part of their schooling. I'm also doing some research on how horses learn and how they process information, which is really exciting. And thirdly, I'm actually taking a course right now through the University of Tennessee on different ways to provide physical rehabilitation to horses. So learning about how we can make a difference in their pain management. There's so many diverse options to take, and the faculty is so collaborative. For example, right now we're working with the faculty of library. We're working on some projects on how we can help our animals. So I think that's a really cool aspect that TRU has. We have all the latest equipment, so that you're going to see all this equipment out in veterinary practice, which I think is really fantastic, because you can get a chance to use it here under supervision. We can teach you how to use all the equipment, and then you can go out and try it in practice. The other cool thing about science at TRU is the community. We have all kinds of fun events. My mom actually is also a Thompson University graduate. She graduated in 1981 when it was Caribou College, and I attended the Caribou College daycare. So it was a little bit like coming home for me. And I hope my kids attend TRU as well.